Hello, and welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. This is Bulk Members Manager plugin demo. Let's begin. I will be showing you how to use it and explain what is the use of this plugin. So if you have not already installed this plugin yet, you can easily do so just by clicking on the Add New Plugins button. Select Install from Marketplace. Then search up Bulk Members Importer. Then click on Install. You will then be redirected here on the page where I'm at right now. Now what you will need to do is toggle this button to enable your plugins. Once it's active, you will then see it on the sidebar menu. Click on it and click on CourseFunnels. Then you will see all the types of CourseFunnels that you have. So you can just select your funnel where you want to add your students. For example, I have this email marketing course. If I go to my course funnel, and if I want to add my member in this funnel, and this is my email marketing hero, just select this. Now you can see here, you have two options where you can add new students one by one, or import students. So let me show you how you can add new students using the first option. Click on it. And if you have the name and email of the student you want to add, you can enter it here. And for the passwords, you will see the instruction for it. Please insert a password with a minimum length of 8 characters and a combination of upper and lowercase characters, numbers, and special characters. So enter the password and confirm it. You can also add extra fields on that as well, like phone number, so just add the input name for that. Then add the value for it, and you can add more. Then save it. Now to test it, open the course funnel, visit the login page. Then I will now log in using the email that I used to add earlier. And there, I am finally logged in. Now I will show you why this course is appearing here when I didn't even choose a course when adding here. So when we go back to the funnel and go to the registration page and go to its setting, here in the select course section, you can see that email marketing hero is the course that is selected. And that is the course that is appearing on here. Now what will happen if I select all of the courses here? Well, it will not show all of it right away. The user will need to log out first and log back in again. After doing so, you will then see the selected courses here. And that is how you can add your students one by one. But in some cases, you wouldn't want to add your students one by one. For that, you can use the Import Students option. If you have a list of your students on a CSV file, you can just import it from here. Then select the name field and email field. Then proceed with the import. Then all of it will be added here. Now let's test it out. I'll use it to log in. But maybe you're asking, what will be the password for this? You will see it on the note down below. So I'll make one just to show you. Let me take this first student. I'll take the first 4 characters of the email ID. Then I'll change the first character to an uppercase. Then I will add in $1, 2, 3, 4. And that will be the password of this student. As you can see, I am logged in successfully. So that is how you can add students one by one and by importing a CSV file. Now I'll show you how you can send this to your students. For that, go to the email marketing section. Then go to the compose mail. From here, you can send all the login details to your students one by one. And if you have a lot of students, it will take you a lot of time to do so. So we have incorporated another easy way for you to do it. What you'll need to do is go to your list, create a new one, then choose your CSV file. After that, add the required fields. Then click on Save. After that, go back to the Compose Mail section. Add the title. Choose your SMTP. Then choose your list. Next, add your email subject and body like so. Don't worry, if you don't know how to compose this yet, we have a video tutorial on how you can do so, and you can check it out here on our channel. So here on the body content, they will see the name, email, and the password node that they can follow to find out their password. You can also add the URL so they can easily know where to log in. And to get the URL, just go to your page, copy the URL, and you can paste it here. So this email body content is up to you. But most importantly, add in the note for their password. Then you can add in the unsubscribe message if you want. Next is the Manage Mail Sending Rate. You can customize the number of it here. Then you can proceed to sending out the mails. When it's done sending, you will see the number of emails sent. Now let me check one to show you. So this is the email that I used, and if I open that Gmail, this is what the email would look like. And if they follow the instructions correctly, they will get the password for them to log in. Like this one. You can see this one is working fine. And that is how you can import or add students using Bulk Members Importer plugin. And what's good about it is that you can also do the same process if you want to use it in CloudFunnels. And this is how it would look like too. The only difference between CourseFunnels and CloudFunnels would be if I click on the funnels and sites. And if I go to the membership funnel and click on the registration page, here you will not see the select course option like the one on CourseFunnels. And that will be the only difference between the two. So that is how you can easily use Bulk Members Importer plugin. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.